Okay, y'all, I am 20 years in the game, but if I had to start all over again as a new braider in 2026, this is what I would do to get booked fast. First of all, stop listening to people talking about jack of all trades, Jill of all trades, do this, do that. I know how to do every style. Yes, I know how to do every braid style. Do I do every braid style? Even 20 years in the game and knowing how? No. I know how to do locks. Do I do locks? No. I know how to do literally probably every braid style you could think of, crochet, all that stuff I know how to do, but I don't. So if you were starting over as a new, if I was starting over as a new braider in 2026, what I would do is master 1 to 2 styles. That's it. Just start with mastering 1 to 2 styles. I'm not saying you can't do other stuff, but I'm saying that's what you want to focus on, right? So pick that one style. Basically, pick your one style, your favorite style, your fastest style, the easiest style, the one you can do in like the shortest amount of time and it still looks good, the one that doesn't drive your brain crazy, the one that you don't dread doing. Pick that style. So for me, that style would be medium knotless. That's like my base. I call it my baseline style. That's how I come up with my pricing for all my styles based off of that style and my timing. So like medium knotless on average takes me like 3 hours, right? So I know I want to at least make $50 an hour as a braider. My medium knotless are 225 right now. You know, they've been 250, they've been 200, but right now they're 225. So I like to base my pricing and styles off of that. That's the one I do the fastest. That's the one that's the easiest. That's the one that I don't mind doing. So if it's another style that takes me like 6 hours to do and it's kind of priced at like the same 225, I'm not doing it. Because I could do 2 heads at 225 in those 6 hours, so I'm not doing it. So pick your one style and you want to go all in on that style. You can branch out from it. I can say medium knotless. All right, add boho. I got medium boho knotless. It could be small knotless. It could be large knotless. It could be goddess. It could be, you know, but stick to perfecting that one style. Be known for that one style first before you start adding in other stuff. Master that one. So that's the first thing I would do. The second thing that I would do is post daily content. Back when I started, it wasn't no posting and all that stuff. No, I'm not old, but I'm just saying, I ain't telling my age, but I'm just saying, we ain't have all that. But right now, I would post daily content. I would want all eyes to be on me all the time. I would want to keep showing up in people's feed. Every time they click on Instagram or something, I want them to see my page popping up. So posting daily, you don't have to just keep posting the same thing, a style. Even though you're doing one style, there's so much content that you can get from one style. So you can post before and afters, single braid clips, like how you start the braid, how you finish the braid, how you braid down, your hand movement, your grip. You can post tips, you can post prices, you can post mistakes to avoid. There's so much stuff that you can post off of just one style. So I would make sure I'm posting content daily. The third thing I would do is run a new braider special. And it don't have to be super cheap. And you don't have to do it for long. You do it for like 30 days or something. So like I said, this one style that you're focusing on is your easiest style. That style that you do with no problem. So it's okay if you run a special on that one style. Don't be trying to run a special on everything. Run a special on that one style that you're focusing on. And it don't gotta be like super cheap, but it could be reasonable, right? So you want to get models, you want to build your portfolio, and you want to have content to post. So even if you're doing your cousins for a lower price, sisters, family, whatever, you need the content and you need to build your portfolio up as a new braider. I see so many new braiders who don't want to do discounted work or free work. My sister or somebody still get freestyles now, okay? If it's a style I want to try, some content I need, I'm just going to do it for free. Like, I'm not losing. In the end, I'm going to be winning, and that's going to help me. So the fourth thing I would do is ask every client for a photo or video. Not everybody's going to say yeah, but you still need to ask, right? Because you can get on the internet and be like, oh, I'm the best braider ever. I do this, my stuff flawless. And people be like, oh yeah, she's just talking. But if the client posted, it's like more validation, right? If the client say, oh, I got the oldest braider, she do this, she never missed such and such, that hits harder than you saying it yourself to other people. So make sure you asking those clients for pictures and videos and stuff like that. Testimonials, right? And reviews. You need those reviews. Those reviews hit hard. Okay. Especially since word of mouth is honestly like the best marketing, right? The best free marketing that you can't pay for that, for somebody's opinion of you. That's their opinion of you, whatever. But best free marketing is those referrals, okay? Okay. Another thing I would do is be convenient. Offer same day or last minute appointments, right? I'm trying to get out there. I want to be known. So be convenient. Don't be that braider that people be like, oh my God, it take her 2 days to answer a text message back. I DM'd her a day ago. She ain't answered. No, be reliable. Be there. Show up. Okay. I've been doing this for so many years. It could be somebody who haven't came to me in 10 years. If they call or text me right now, they're going to get an answer because I'm consistent. I still got the same phone number I didn't have for, I don't know, almost like 18 years or something like that. So consistency, right? And be reliable and be convenient. Show up. Don't braid 1 week and you get a couple dollars and then you disappear because you got some money. No, show up. Okay. Another thing I would do is join the Facebook groups. Some of them can be a little messy. I know, because sometimes I'd be like, oh, y'all, please don't tag me in those. But you're trying to get out there. You're trying to get known. You want your name to show up. So a lot of times the best thing to do and not be like selling yourself is just to comment on stuff. Give people tips. If anybody asking for some information, be the one to give it to them. Like, you just want your name out there. You want people to be like, oh, she knows what she's talking about. Or, oh, let me go look at her page because she sounds like she knows what she's talking about, right? So just find those groups on Facebook. You could search, I don't know, mom groups or like whatever your city is. Search those groups with your city name. Like, I'm in quite a few Detroit braid groups, learn to braid groups, or, you know, something like that. Like, so post in those groups. Make sure you comment a meaningful comment, not one little emoji or great, good. No, post something meaningful because that's going to make people go to your page. Trust me, because I do it. And I know a lot of people who do it too. Another thing you want to do, create a simple booking page. Make it easy for people to book you. A lot of people are scrolling in the middle of the night or early morning and they just want to see prices, they want to see pictures, and they want to be able to book conveniently without having to DM you and be like, oh, do you got Wednesday available? Oh, do you got 5 p.m. available? Oh, do you work this time? Do you work that time? No, make it easy, all right? You can get a simple booking page. A lot of them have like a free, you know, where you don't have to have all that extra stuff. Starting off is free. They have a free option that you can use, right? I use Acuity. I like it. You can get deposits. There's a lot of stuff you could do, but there's multiple booking sites. Find you one. It doesn't have to be complicated. And if you want it to look all jazzy like mine's, take yourself on Etsy. They got templates for a couple dollars. You can go into Canva for free, switch it up, change the information in there, everything, and make it you. So really, there's no excuse. And when you do your booking page, don't be crazy, okay? Don't put crazy rules on there. Oh, if you're 5 minutes late, that's a $100 fee. If you 10 minutes late, your appointment is canceled. Don't be that person. Please don't be that person. Stuff happens, right? We 10 minutes late. We running behind on a client. So leave all the crazy rules and stuff out. I mean, you want to have some basic rules and stuff, but don't overdo it. Especially as a beginner, don't overdo it. Okay, another thing you want to do is make your page look busy, right? You don't want people to think like, they like, dang, she been sitting there for a month. She ain't had no clients. She must not be that good. No. So even if you had 2 clients a week, you can create so much different content from 2 clients. And you can post that throughout the week or throughout 2 weeks. Because recording one full video, make sure you record like the whole style from beginning to end, from the person walking in to the person leaving. Like, you can get so many short clips off of that, because you're gonna have like hours of content if you record and everything. So just look busy. Post stuff every day. You can even post your cleaning up, sanitizing your combs, sweeping, whatever. You can, everything is content basically. So make yourself look busy and post that stuff every day. Another thing you want to do as a new braider, as any braider, as an old braider, seasoned braider, whatever, is over deliver on customer service. I hear so many horror stories, horrible customer service stories I hear all the time. So make sure you like got a clean workspace, you know, you professional, you communicate, like just little stuff like a free water and crackers, a snack or whatever, that puts you up a little bit more. A nice looking space, something that people like, oh, this is comfortable, a comfortable chair, a TV, Netflix and chill, or they can hook their phone to the speaker, listen to what you want to listen to. Like, overdo it on the customer service, because people are going to remember how you made them feel. Trust me. I might forget the style I got, when I went, everything, but I am not going to forget the experience I had when I went to somebody, all right? Because that's going to be me saying whether I'm going back or I'm never going back. If you have a bad experience, you're never going back. If somebody over delivers, I see people who I'm honestly don't even, their braids are okay, like they mid, but they be like, oh my gosh, she was so nice. I had a glass of wine when I went there. We had good conversation, and I'm going back. They don't care them braids was mid. They care about they had an excellent experience. And if they know you're growing or you're just starting out, you're getting better, they're gonna be like, oh, she did good, and you know, it was a great experience. I'll go back to her. And they know in a year or whatever, 6 months, whatever, like you're gonna be better. So make sure you over deliver on that customer service. And like the last thing, build a community, not just clients, right? You can go live, you can show your value, talk about hair care, show your personality, which is what I'm trying to do more of on this channel, because mostly it's like a faceless, because you just see my hands showing you how to do stuff. But when you want to like build a community, you got to show your face more. You got to show your personality. You gotta talk to people, right? People don't just book your skill. They book the consistency, the energy, the connection. Back to like the last thing I said on over delivering on the customer service, right? People want to know who you are. They want to know they're going to be comfortable when, even if they go into your house or salon suite, they want to know like, oh, she seemed cool. Not every other post on your social media is something ratchet you done said or share, or my baby daddy this, or just like, no. don't do none of that. We trying to build a trustworthy community right here, okay? I have a lot of clients, and we be having like some good conversations, and it be chill and everything be cool, and they be coming back. I literally have clients I've been doing for years and years, 10 years, whatever. Like, so make sure you're trying to build a community and not just keep posting, these are my braids, book me, do this. No, talk to the people. Why should they book you? And not directly selling, but just show them your personality. Like, yeah, I'm cool. Even if you get on there like, yeah, I'm learning, I'm just starting, but I'm doing this. Like, tell people, let them know. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, if you follow these steps and tips, right, as a new braider in 2026, you are going to get booked and you are going to get busy, okay? So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.